Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll be discussing the topic color coding of a resistor. So I'll be sharing some slides with you. We'll start with this one. So if you look at this resistor, it has some color bands on it. So that is a color code for the resistance of this resistor. It has some set value. So we'll discuss how we can decode it. So for example, we're going to discuss a 4-band resistor. By the way, we are available with 5-band resistors also, but in our syllabus, we are going to discuss a 4-band resistor. So when you will look at a 4-band resistor, 3 colors will be on a side, and the fourth one will be a bit separated. So first 3 bands, those stand for the value of resistance, the value of magnitude of resistance. And out of those 3, first 2 lines are making a digit. Third one is a multiplier. So we can look here. These 3 lines are giving the value of resistance. First 2 lines are giving the first digit, second digit. Third one is a multiplier. It's giving number of zeros or power of 10. ठीक है जी, फोर्थ लाइन को भी बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं. So for first 3, we have a color chart. Now it's a different color chart as you have seen in rainbow colors and the dispersion of light thing. So पहले मैं आपको difference भी state कर देता हूँ, and I will state one thing too, that you do not have to memorize this chart. Whenever you will get a question for color coding of the resistor, you will get that chart to decode the colors or to make the code also. But to make you familiarize with the color spectrum which you have discussed so far in rainbow colors, those have 7 colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. So these are 7 basic colors. I will separate them like this. These are 7 basic colors which we discuss in a rainbow. But here these are 3. One is missing, that is indigo. Okay? So we have colors from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and violet. Indigo is missing, and added colors are black and brown at the top, gray and white at the bottom. These are 2 added colors. Golden and silver, these are for tolerance, which is shown by the 4th band. We'll discuss that later. So these colors have some values. If you write those colors in an arrangement, black stands for 0, brown for 1, red for 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, gray 8, and white 9. Okay, so these are 10 colors which have specific values. Okay, so if I applied here, I will look at an example. If I move to the next slide, like this, I can use this one. So a resistor with 4 colors. So I have arranged a smaller colored table here also. So first one is brown, the other one, second one is black, third one is red, and fourth one is for tolerance, that is golden. So first one is brown. Brown stands for 1. So first digit is 1. Second is black. Black stands for 0. So the digit is 10. And then into 10 exponent. So third color is red. So this is 2. So value of resistance here is 10. So this third color that can be considered for number of zeros means 0 0, or you can say it is power of 10. So both are the same thing. So if you consider 10 into 10 exponent 2, how much will that be? So I hope you can convert it to a digit. That will be 1000. Now this is a resistance, so unit is ohm. So resistance of this resistor is 1000 ohms. But there is some margin of error here that is given by the fourth band, which is golden. Now gold stands for 5% error. So you can say 1000 ohms plus minus 5%. And 5% is, you mean by that 1000 plus minus 5% is 50. So you can write it 1000 plus minus 50 ohms. Okay, so I have arranged two more examples which we will discuss. Okay, we were discussing some practice questions related to uh, decoding the value of resistance on a resistor with the help of color bands. So I'll share a couple of more questions, then I'll be sharing a past paper question too and power rating of the resistor. So second example, we can discuss this one. Okay, so next question is this one in which we have a resistor. Now you can identify the color bands. First one is brown, then black, then orange and a golden color. अच्छा टॉलरेंस आई गेस हमने अभी डिस्कस नहीं किया था टॉलरेंस में वैसे तो देर आर सम कलर्स but we discussed three options, that is golden stands for 5% tolerance, silver stands for 10% tolerance, and if there is no color, if there is no fourth band, that would mean 20% tolerance of the resistor. Tolerance would mean percentage error which can be plus or minus. For example, if a resistor is 100 ohms and it has a tolerance of 5%, so that would mean it can have a resistance 100 plus minus 5, means its resistance can vary from 95 ohms to 105 ohms. If that resistor has a silver line which has 10%, so its resistance can vary from 90 ohms to 110 ohms. And if there is no fourth band, that would mean 20%, so its resistance will vary from 80 ohms to 120 ohms. So that's what we mean by tolerance. So we can decode this one. Brown stands for 1, black stands for 0 to 10, and orange stands for 3. So that will be 10 into 10 exponent 3. So that will be 10 kilo ohms, 10 kilo ohms, 10,000 ohms, 10 kilo ohms. Plus minus golden means gold means 5%. So 5% will be how much? 500, 10,000 plus minus 500. So you can write it like this. If we have 10,000 uh, plus minus 500, so you can write it. You can write it 10 kilo ohms plus minus 0.5. So you can write it like this: 10, 10 plus minus 0.5 kilo ohms. So you can put it collectively like this. ठीक है जी, kilo ohms. You can write it like this. Okay, moving on. Next example. I hope ये three types of resistors हैं. You can do that yourself. ये three जो हैं resistors, ये आप खुद से इनकी value find out कीजिए. Next, we can also be asked to code a resistor, like if the value is given and we are asked to suggest the color codes for that resistor. So for example, if we are given a resistor of 5600 ohms or 5.6 kilo ohms and we are asked to suggest three color bands for the value of that of this resistance. So 5 here is shown by green, 6 is shown by blue, and then 10 power 2, so that will be 2. So it means first color will be green, second will be blue, and third will be red. Green, blue, red will show a resistance of 5600 ohms or 5.6 kilo ohms. Acha ji, 1 mega ohms. 1 mega ohms, as you know, that stands for 1 into 10 exponent 6. 1 into 10 exponent 6 ohms. So if we have to tell about two digits, the first one can be we can write it like this. We can also write it like this: 1 or 10 into 10 exponent 5. ये मैं एक्सपोनेंट लिखना चाह रहा हूँ लेकिन चलिए इसको मैं ऐसे लिख लेता हूँ एक्सपोनेंट, ठीक है जी. 10 into 10 exponent 5, so that will be brown, black, and green. That will be brown, black, and green. That will show us a resistor of 1 mega ohms. ठीक है जी, I hope it's clear. अच्छा जी, next we have another thing to take care of, that is power rating of the resistor. अच्छा, आपका जो resistor का size है, that determines its power rating. For example, आपके पास एक 100 ohms का resistor है. If you make that resistor of larger dimensions, I'm just with larger dimension I mean only the outer body of that resistor. मैं उस डायमेंशन की बात कर रहा हूँ, नहीं कर रहा हूँ जिससे हम रेजिस्टेंस डिटरमिन करते हैं, लाइक लेंथ ऑफ द वायर एंड क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया. उस डायमेंशन की मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ आउटर बॉडी ऑफ द रेजिस्टर. तो जितना आपके पास लार्जर सरफेस एरिया होगा रेजिस्टर का, उतना ही ज्यादा वो हीट डिसिपेट कर सकेगा टू द एनवायरनमेंट. And even at higher current, it will not heat up or blow or like change its resistance a lot. So we can see here that smaller resistors have low power rating, and for higher power rating, अच्छा higher power rating की हमें कब need होती है? We need higher power rating resistors when the amount of normal current flow in the circuit is larger. तो फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव टू सिनेरियोस, दोनों में हमने 1 किलो ओम्स का रेजिस्टर यूज करना है. लेकिन एक सिनेरियो में सर्किट वन में you have a current flowing of 10 milliamperes, and in second scenario you have current flowing of 50 milliamperes. अब दोनों रेजिस्टर्स आप दोनों सर्किट्स में सेम लगाने वाला है, दैट इज 1 किलो ओम्स का. बट फॉर 50 milliamperes the heat dissipated from the resistor will be larger, so we would need a larger resistor in that case to dissipate heat with larger surface area to the environment and and function properly. ठीक है जी. So what I have written here, a circuit with larger value of normal current would need higher power rating resistor. It will be larger in size to dissipate heat generated to the surroundings. Okay. ठीक है जी, तो इसमें मैंने एक पास पेपर क्वेश्चन भी ऐड किया है. 1500 ohms resistor है, you are given the table and you have to suggest the bands for a 1500 ohms resistor. Then next, determine maximum value of resistance that can be shown with this three band. What can maximum value of a resistor be shown with the help of a three band resistor, three band color code of a resistor? So जो मैक्सिमम रीडिंग आपके पास होती है वो आई गेस वाइट की है. वो किसकी है जी? वाइट की है ना? Yes, white 9. So if we have three white lines, So you need to find out what will be the resistance shown by that. If we have a three white lines coding on a resistor, what would reading, what reading would that show? ठीक है जी. Third, state a disadvantage of using a different 1500 ohm resistor with a power rating that is, अच्छा normal power rating quarter watt है, but if you use a resistor with lesser power rating or greater power rating, so what can be the disadvantages? देखिए lesser power rating होगी तो simply that resistor would heat up, it can blow, it will not function properly. What if we have a larger power rating of a resistor? If you we use a resistor, resistance की वैल्यू सेम रहेगी लेकिन पावर रेटिंग अगर उसकी लार्जर हो जाए, सो एडवांटेज तो ये होगा इट विल नॉट कूल डाउन, लेकिन डिसएडवांटेज ये होगा, सॉरी, एडवांटेज तो ये होगा इट विल रिमेन कूल, इट विल नॉट, its temperature will not increase, but disadvantage will be that it will be very large in size. So if we have a smaller circuit, that large size matters a lot. ठीक है जी. सो दैट वाज फॉर द कलर कोडिंग. इंशाल्लाह एक और प्रेजेंटेशन भी देखेंगे जिसमें रजिस्टर की हम रेस्ट ऑफ द टॉपिक से भी इसको कनेक्ट करेंगे, लाइक हाउ इट्स रेजिस्टेंस चेंजेस विद डायमेंशंस एंड एडिंग रजिस्टर्स, डिफरेंट रजिस्टर्स इन सीरीज एंड इन पैरेलल. ठीक है जी. सो इंशाल्लाह उसको भी डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है जी. वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.